There's no need for a long, drawn-out soliloquy here. You want the secrets for whipping up juicy baked chicken thighs with a mouth-watering char that cook in about 10 minutes? Don't bake them. Broil them instead. Because boneless chicken thighs are so thin, if you simply chuck them in your oven at 350, you're inevitably forced to choose between either properly cooking them with minimal browning or torching them into dry, crumbly oblivion in the pursuit of that dreamy, charred goodness. However, by roughly chopping the thighs into similarly sized pieces, spreading them out on a baking sheet with plenty of room to breathe, popping them in a cold oven, and then broiling them on the first or second rack until a char develops, you can get the best of both worlds. To up your chicken thigh game even further, let's chat about marinades for a sec. In the description, you can find the recipes for two of my favorites: a halal-style garlic paste with warm spices, and an herby lemon marinade that's sort of in the style of Greek chicken Chlebowski. I'm a huge proponent of yogurt and, to a lesser extent, mayo-based marinades for this technique. For the uninitiated, it may seem blasphemous to slather their chicken in breakfast dairy or a sandwich condiment, but the browning and texture you get from this style of marinade is absolutely unparalleled. If neither of my recipes below strike your fancy, try swapping out the oil in your favorite chicken marinade recipe for yogurt or mayo. Or a good quality bottled Asian marinade will also come out really well when you broil it. If you opt to stick with an oil-based marinade, just make sure to incorporate a large pinch of sugar to encourage that tasty, tasty browning that we're after. These chicken thighs are one of my go-tos for an easy weeknight meal, and I pretty much eat some variation on this recipe at least once a week. You can toss the Asian marinated ones over some leftover white rice with sliced peppers, scallions, cilantro, and maybe some sesame seeds. The halal style ones are awesome in a pita pocket smeared in rich hummus with some briny feta cheese, chopped lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Or toss the herby lemon chicken in a light dressing and slap it on a roll with some sliced red onion and fennel. However you make them, I know you'll enjoy it. Later, nerds.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk